Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start a new project, and this one is because I've had some questions about some of the things that I do. Like when I made the video for the fishermen, there was a comment that somebody wanted me to show a little bit more about how I make that. On a couple of forums that I get involved with, I had some questions about, well, how do I do my painting? And I did a video on the thistle cottage, which was a two-part video showing how I made the thistle cottage, and I did all the painting and stuff. I tried to make that kind of cinematic. It looked pretty cool, but it probably lacked a little bit in technical details. And then on my seahorses, I have a two-part video on making the seahorses and painting the seahorses. People are generally interested in, well, how did you paint that, you know? So I'm going to make, and then I just finished making the sign, the vault. There's actually 18 videos on that I posted on the forum, and I labeled them 1 of 18, 2 of 18, so if there's some reason why maybe you want to go and watch that series, you could see it in there. It's on my YouTube channel. If you go to playlists and click on the vault, all 18 videos are right there, easy to get to. So some things that I've been working on throughout the year is, one of them is this little this is my garden room. I'll do a tour on that. Right now it's just filled up with all kinds of junk, and I've been building that for the last couple of years. I'm still working on it. It's not something that I had planned on building and finishing it and getting it done. I knew it was going to take me years, and I got about 3 years into that right now. But some of the stuff the project that I'm taking on right now is something that's going to be decorations for my garden room, and we'll go through that. I'm going to show you the whole process right from start to finish. This journey is going to be a long journey. It's going to probably be a lot of videos. I don't know, maybe it's more than a two-part series, I'm sure. It might be, I don't know, 8, 20, 30, 100. I don't know how many are going to be in this series. So it's kind of like, you know, as I build it, I'm watching it myself. So this is just to kick off this video series and let you know that I've got some plans on getting into more technical detail, yet still try to make it entertaining, fun to watch, enjoyable. Kick back your feet, have a cup of coffee, and watch me do what I do in my shop.